In this video, I will compare the Luxe Blaze lighter against your standard disposable and traditional butane options to see if this tactical upgrade is actually worth it. When you look at the landscape of fire starters, the contrasts are immediate. Most gas station lighters fail the moment a breeze picks up, but the Luxe Blaze is specifically built as a military-grade survival tool designed to perform in rain, wind, or freezing snow. While a standard lighter offers a flickering, unstable flame, this device features a 2300-degree plasma flame that can even scorch metal. The trade-off here is clear. You are moving away from flimsy plastic toward a rugged, rubberized exterior that remains safe to touch even though the internal heat is extreme. A standout feature that sets this apart from basic torches is the adjustable jet flame, which you can customize by simply twisting a button. For outdoor enthusiasts like George B., the reliability in bad weather is the winning factor, whereas users like Logan N. found it replaces the need for shaky barbecue starters. It also includes a safety lock button on the side, a significant security bump over traditional open-trigger lighters. With over 3,200 verified reviews and a high 4.8-star rating, it clearly wins for camping, survival, or even just lighting the home fireplace with more power. If you are tired of shielding a weak flame with your hands, this might be the reliable gear upgrade you need. Let me know in the comments if you prefer plasma or traditional butane for your gear bag. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tactical reviews.